back to the channel, and on today's episode of Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, I have the Air Jordan 11s in the gem red colorway, so let's get to it. So, the box right here, my scissors, y'all already know what's the deal. Ooh. Okay, so here's the first look at the box, and on the top we just have the Air Jordan logo, and then Nike Air in the front, or in the back, I mean. And then we have the sizing. Right? They were saying that this is the first box that they ever made for the 11 when it came back out a couple years ago. So let's put the lid to the side, and then here is the baby girl gem red 11. Okay, so on the uppers we have the Concord colorway, and then on the outsole we have the bread colorway. So that's just the two mashups that have been created to make this gem red 11. Okay, so we just have another, once again, translucent outsole. We have a molded sock liner inside for a more comfortable fit. Then we have the carbon fiber shank plate right here. Okay, so this low model was actually retroed with the old box, and I'll show you guys that in a bit. And then that's the box that came out when it released in '96. So and I don't have any other 11 from previous years because your boy broke. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys an on feed right after this. That wraps up the video on these gem red lows. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.